In this video, we will compare two innovative laundry solutions, the COSTWAY Twin Tub Washer and the Aptovpvp Portable Dryer. Both products are designed for small living spaces, making them ideal for apartments and dorms. Let's dive into their features and see how they stack up against each other. The COSTWAY Twin Tub Washer boasts a total capacity of 26 pounds, allowing for 18 pounds of washing and 8 pounds of spinning simultaneously. This makes it a great choice for users who need to wash larger loads of laundry. In contrast, the Aptovpvp Portable Dryer is designed for smaller loads, making it ideal for quick drying of a few garments. While the COSTWAY can handle more laundry at once, the Aptovpvp's compact design is perfect for those with limited space. The COSTWAY Twin Tub Washer not only washes but also spins clothes, allowing users to complete 2 tasks in one go. However, it does not fully dry clothes, leaving them approximately 90% dry. On the other hand, the Aptovpvp Portable Dryer specializes in drying with 2 modes for different fabric types and a timer function for automated drying. This makes it a great companion for the COSTWAY, as users can wash with one and dry with the other. In terms of design, the COSTWAY Twin Tub Washer features a compact and functional layout, making it suitable for small spaces. Its transparent lid allows users to monitor the washing process easily. Conversely, the Aptovpvp Portable Dryer is lightweight and designed for portability, making it easy to carry around. Its modern aesthetic appeals to users looking for stylish yet practical laundry solutions. In conclusion, both the COSTWAY Twin Tub Washer and the Aptovpvp Portable Dryer offer unique benefits tailored for small living spaces. The COSTWAY excels in washing capacity and functionality, while the Aptovpvp provides effective drying solutions. Depending on your laundry needs, you may find one product more suitable than the other. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.